The top 5 scariest things caught on GoPro camera. Train spotting. Brian Garcia and 3 friends were exploring the train tracks in Chatsworth Park, just north of Los Angeles. Garcia films with his GoPro as they come to a tunnel and decide to walk through the dark passage to the other side.
Hey, train! Turn off your lights! Oh shit! Run! Oh shit! Oh! Run! Oh shit!
When Brian Garcia uploaded his scary GoPro video to YouTube, it got a harsh response from many viewers who felt that entering the train tunnel was a pretty stupid decision to begin with. The video received over 570 thumbs down, and scathing comments like, quote, "I can't be the only person who was rooting for the train."
Oh! Run!
Level 3 helmet. GoPro cameras are not just used for all fun and games. Militaries around the world now use the compact cameras to monitor training missions and even to document dangerous real military operations. Sometimes the GoPros catch some pretty scary footage.
You got cover out there?
Oh shit! Dude, they almost hit me. Get back!
Hey, we got a sniper! Dude, you got shot.
I did get shot.
I saw it hit your Kevlar.
I got fucking... What the f***,
Man, am I good? My ears are fucking...
Oh my god.
Lucky son of a bitch, look at that.
What the fuck?
Dude, you alright?
Yeah. My ears are ringing.
Break. My teammate just got shot in the helmet.
He's good.
He's good, but we believe there's a sniper.
Hey, what is that? That's the south side? Dude, look at that.
Mother dude. That's through.
Alright, let's get out here and do something about this. Come on.
Thanks to his Kevlar helmet, this Marine doesn't even get a scratch from the sniper's bullet. Tunnel of Terror. YouTuber Street Zips decided to explore a winding rain sewer with a GoPro camera mounted to his forehead. Now perhaps the most frightening part of this footage is that Street Zips is exploring the dark abandoned tunnel all alone. The footage looks like something right out of an intense first-person horror game. And not long into the video, life seems to imitate gaming. He climbs a ladder in the tunnel and finds a strange abandoned backpack in a wall recess. As he explores further, he begins to hear strange sounds and arms himself with a large stick. In the distance, he hears the sound of metal being dragged along concrete. As his flashlight battery begins to drain, he becomes panicked and starts to run. In one clip, Street Zips claims that he saw something large move in the shadows, and he dashes toward the tunnel exit. We are not alone. Now, what I personally find most disturbing about urban exploration videos is not the idea that the explorers might encounter ghosts or hauntings or any someone using a cell phone is walking around just outside the building. Again, keep in mind that this institution was in the middle of nowhere. There were no other cars around and no reason for anyone else to be there.